After creating and sharing a few assets, you might want to view their stats from time to time just to see how they're performing. In this video, I want to show you how to view the dashboard for individual assets and an entire asset campaign in Act Marketing Automation. I've already logged into my Act database and I've clicked Marketing Automation in the left navigation area. From here, let's click Assets at the top of the screen. This gives me a list of all of my current asset campaigns. To choose one of them, let's hover over its action menu and click Edit. Now let's locate the asset that we want to view. I'm going to view the results for my PDF asset by hovering over the Actions menu here, and then I'll click Refresh Stats. This will give me the latest stats available on the right. So now once again, I can go to Actions and now click Dashboard. Act Marketing Automation is now displaying the dashboard for this individual asset only. At the top of the screen, we have a time range dropdown that we can change from lifetime to 30, 60, or 90 days. And then we have the following information included on the top information bar. Impressions is the number of people that have clicked the link or hit the URL associated with this campaign asset. Unique is the number of unique, cookied individuals that have spent time on the campaign asset. People who visit this asset more than one time are only counted once. This number can give you an indicator of the depth of your market penetration. Average time begins with a default value of 30 seconds. If people spend more time than that interacting with the activity, then this average will increase. Leads show you the number of people that have interacted with the lead form placed on this asset. If you have selected not to use a lead form, this number will be set at 0. Total revenue is a simple function of the number of leads produced by the asset multiplied by the revenue per lead figure that you entered in the asset campaign screen. And then ROI, or return on investment, is traditionally calculated by the equation cost minus gains divided by cost. This is the same case here. Cost per lead is entered and managed along with revenue per lead on the campaign setup page. Moving down the screen, the top referrers module allows you to see where your largest percentage of leads and impressions are inbound from. The Asset Performance module shows the number of impressions and leads in a line graph format for the selected date range. The impressions are in red and the leads are in blue. The Recent Leads module shows the contact information of the leads who were captured by the lead form for this asset. You can refresh this list or even export it to an Excel formatted workbook using the icons in the upper right. If I scroll down to Recent Activity, this will show the name of the organization, the referrer where the asset interaction came from. It can also include things like city, country, activity date, and time. This section can also be exported into a spreadsheet. The Geo Activity module is a visual representation of where in the world your asset was viewed. It can be navigated using the tools in the upper left corner of the map or by using your mouse wheel to scroll in and out. Let's go back now and view the asset dashboard for the whole asset campaign. This will lump in all of our assets together and give us stats for the campaign as a whole. So from this screen, while viewing the asset campaign, we'll go to the Actions menu and choose Dashboard. The data types on this screen are identical to the individual assets dashboard. The data, though, should be different since it's going to summarize all views and interactions for all of your assets on this campaign. Another difference here can be seen if you scroll all the way to the bottom. Notice that in the statistics section here, you'll see that each asset is listed with individual stats for impressions, leads, average number of pages viewed, and average time spent on this asset. This conveniently allows you to view the most successful asset associated with your campaign. If at any time you want to reset the traffic statistics for an asset, go to the Assets Properties menu and click Reset Activity. Note the warning here and click Reset Activity if you still agree to it. You'll see that all the numbers for this specific asset have now been reset to 0.